son posibles en el área bajo aviso. Inundaciones repentinas se están ocurriendo, principalmente a lo largo de la carretera PR 167 en Bayamón, donde esfuerzos de rescate se están ocurriendo. Mire, no intente conducir su vehículo a través de carreteras inundadas. The National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a flash flood warning for Bayamón and Guaynabo municipalities until 5 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is already ongoing, mainly along PR 167 in Bayamón, where rescue efforts are ongoing as well. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Build and add in the Chihuahua.
The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pecos County in southwestern Texas, south central Reeves County in southwestern Texas, east central Jeff Davis County in southwestern Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southeast of Val Maria Lake, or 24 miles northeast of Fort Davis, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning is expected. Western Pecos County in southwestern Texas. South central Reeves County in southwestern Texas. East central Jeff Davis County in southwestern Texas. This includes Interstate 10 between mile markers 222 and 200 p.m. Central Time. A 4-year thunderstorm was located on the lowest floor of the building, 24 miles northeast of Fort Davis, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Firestone Test Track. This includes Interstate 10 between mile markers 222 and 248. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of south central Inyo County, including Trona Wildrose Road, Badwater Road, and Jubilee Pass. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for west central Kane County in southern Utah, east central Washington County in southwestern Utah, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.25 and 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Zion National Park and Springdale. Flash flooding has been reported in Mountain of the Sun Canyon within Zion National Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, Utah,